Good morning, class. Welcome to today's lesson. This is mathematics for grade 3. Today we are going to look at fractions of a group. Fractions of a group. So we are going to start with a half. Remember, a half is 1 out of 2. So let's, for example, say we have, I'm going to start with the sweets. We have a group of sweets. Let's count 4 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll put the rest away. So I have a group of 4 sweets. And let's assume I have 2 friends that I want to share the sweets equally, so that each of my friends gets an equal number of sweets out of these 4 sweets. So I'm going to have my imaginary friends here. Get another piece of paper. So I have my friend 1 here. Okay, and I have another friend here. And then now I have 4 sweets. So I want to share equally among us these 4 friends, 2 friends of mine. So with the 4 sweets, I'm going to give 1, then I give another one. I give to the first friend, and I give to the second friend. So I've shared equally all the 4 sweets. And therefore, each one has got 1, 2, 1, 2. Each of my friends has received a half of the sweets that I had. And the total sweets were 4. Therefore, a half of 4 equals to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Each of them will receive 2. So each of them gets a half of the sweets, which is 2 sweets each. And therefore we say a half of 4 is 2. Now let's try sharing something else. Now I'm going to pick sticks. Okay, I have a number of sticks. Let me count 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put the rest away. So I have 8 sweets. And again, what I'm going to do is to take my 2 friends. Okay, I'm going again to take my 2 friends. I have my first friend here, second one here. Okay, those are my 2 friends. And I want to share equally these 8 sticks. Okay, so I'll put the first one there. And I give the other one. I'll divide equally among us to the 2 friends. Okay, I've shared out all the 8 sticks. I started with 8 sticks, so let's see how many each has got. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has got 4. And the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has also got 4. So each has received a half of the sticks, and the total sticks were 8, so that is a half of 8 equals to 4. So each gets 4 sticks. Okay, so I'll proceed to, let me bring back the sweets again. We have done 8, now let's do 12. So I'll put this away. Get another piece of paper. Now let's do 12. So I need 12 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 sweets, a group of 12 sweets, and I have my two friends once again. I have my two friends here. Okay, and I want to share equally these 12 sweets. So let's see how many each is going to get. So I'll give one, I give the second one, the third one. So I'll go giving each one, then I've finished all the sweets. So the sweets were 12. Now let's see what each got. So the first one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each has got a half of the total sweets I had. So a half of, I had a total of 12 sweets is equals to 6. So half of 12 is 6. So each gets 6 sweets. So I hope you have understood how to divide a group of items into 2 equal parts. We've done sticks, we've done sweets, and so that's how you're supposed to do it. Now let's turn to our textbook. That's page number 47, the learner's workbook, page number 47. So it shows there, we have a group of oranges and we are dividing them into 2 groups. Probably you are sharing it to 2 pupils. So each is going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each gets 4. You can see a line has been drawn in the middle to show that's where you divide the fruits into 2 equal parts. Now we proceed to exercise G. Right there we have number 1. You have triangles and you are supposed to divide each into 2 equal parts. So you know you need to divide this into 2 equal parts. So you can imagine you are sharing these triangles among us to maybe 2 friends, call them Peter and maybe James. And we are going to use P for Peter and J for James. So we'll put P and we put J. We'll go dividing 1, 1 until they're finished. Now once we have finished all the triangles, we just draw the line to show the boundary where each, so the side of 4 P's is for Peter and the side for J is for James. And then we proceed to the next page. Right there we have apples. Again we can use the same. We have, I give 1 to Peter, I give 1 to James. Peter, James, Peter, James, Peter, James, Peter, James. And then once I've finished, I just draw a line in the middle. So each gets a half of the total. So remember the equation is simply asking divide each into 2 groups. So we have divided into 2 groups. Now we go to the next one. So this one, what you need to be careful with is, as you'll notice this, so we give Peter, we give James. That way we want to have the same, all those that have been given to Peter on one side and those that have been given to James on one side. I give to Peter, I give to James. And then now once I've given out all of them, I just draw a line in the middle. We go to the next one. So try doing number, I think you can do number 4. try to do number 4 and also number 5. And then once we meet next time, we shall look at what was the correct answer. Okay, bye for now.